One of the coolest features of the Tesla is the Tesla app. The app allows me to basically monitor and control the car remotely wherever I am in the world. And right now I'm using it to monitor my charging. I'm at the Tesla Supercharger right now, 198 miles and 15 more minutes to go before it's fully charged. It will alert me when it's fully charged. I can go get the car. But another cool feature is this thing called climate. Notice that right now, it is a hot day today, and the inside of the car is 105 degrees. That is very, very hot. So you know, there we go, those summer days. You get into the car and oh man, it's so hot. First thing you do is roll down the window, turn on the AC, and try to go as fast as you can to get it cool down. Well, with this app, I can check this out. So here's the climate feature. Inside 105 degrees, I can turn on the AC, and boom, now the AC is on. And by the time I get to the car, it's going to be nice and cool. So actually right now, see, there you go, that update. The interior is 120 degrees right now, but I turn on the AC, and actually I can adjust the temperature, you know, using the zero, like whatever I want, 60 degrees. But I said I'm going to set it to low, just let it blow up. And no, already got 110 right now, so I'm going to walk to the car, and when I get to the car, it's going to be nice and cool. And this is one of the cool things about having a Tesla. And by the way, I can control this from anywhere in the world. I mean, not just here, but anywhere. So that's one of the features. Climate, 201 miles. So yeah, I have other controls. I could tell my location. I could summon the car. I could unlock the doors, flash the light, honk the horn, start the motor, pop the trunk, do a whole bunch of stuff. Set a valet mode, set a speed limit for the valet so they can't exceed certain speed. So it's really cool. But the most feature I use most of the time, other than checking my charging, is climate control. And as you can see, we're down to 88 degrees right now. So yay, let's go to the car and go to a nice cool car. It's nice and cool in here. All right, so that is the Tesla app. And instead of going to a hot, steamy car, we come into in a car that's nice right now, 72 degrees, nice and comfortable. And yeah, so by the way, the app can be used to maintain the temperature of the car, you know, when you're parked, which is ideal. Like if Widget, the dog, is in the car and I want to keep him in the car, I've done it before. I just left him in the car, left the AC on for him, and no problem. But if you do that, make sure you put a note on the window that says that this car can maintain the temperature, because you know you might come back to a broken window, people trying to feed the dog, that kind of stuff. Anyway, yeah. So hope you find that little tech bit a little interesting. It's one of the reasons I like the Tesla vehicle. One of the reasons I love the Tesla. And one of the reasons I invested in the company. John Chow from johnchow.com. Thank you very much for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you like that. Like and share my video. Subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys on the next episode.